Hello, welcome to another fast holiday workshop for the CNRL. My name is Ita.
And I'm Kel.
And today we're going to make mandalas.
We're going to make salt dough mandalas.
Yes, so what do we need?
Okay, so we have a beautiful selection of dried beans here that you probably will have in the cupboard.
We did.
What else do we need?
So salt dough, so we made a video on how to make this. You can use clay if you have at home, or you can make your own dough. We will link the video, so check that one out. It's very easy. You probably have all the stuff at home. And just for fun, because we're not going to paint them after, we have a few food colorings and we can color the dough beforehand. So once we've made our mandalas, it has to go in the oven.
Yes.
So you need some baking paper.
Yeah, and you'll be making it on the baking paper.
Yeah, so it can go straight in the tray.
Make sure you use gloves though if you're using the food colouring. And if you've got sort of something sharp, it could be a pencil, we're using little skewers as well to put a little hole in the top if you want to hang it.
Yes. Cool.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
We're using baking paper to put down on the table.
Yeah.
So you're just taking off a little bit.
Yes. Let's try. You can also mix your colours. Now I'll put some in the middle and I'll see if I need more. Look. You can even have like a marble sort of effect. Yeah.
What shape are you going to make? I might make a circle.
Yes, Anne.
There we go. I wonder how flat with the baking. I guess the flatter you make it, the less time it will take to cook through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you can make your design however you like it.
What are you doing there, Ida?
I'm just gonna make a hole, so if you want to hang it up.
Alright, so the best bit, the design bit.
Yes, so you just do whatever you like, basically. If you want it like looking like a mandala, you can just go around. You can make a flower shape, a star shape, go round. Also depends on how big your beans are. Just whatever you have in the cupboard you can use. And you have to push them in quite firm so they will stick to it when it bakes.
Oh, that looks really good with the black.
I think I'm done. You?
Fantastic, finished. They look good, don't they?
Did you enjoy that?
I loved it. Very relaxing.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
You just really get in the flow and it's very calming.
So, what do we do now?
Okay, so to make sure this sticks and hardens up, we have to put it in the oven. So 70 degrees by 2 hours, and because we made it on baking paper, it can go straight on a tray in the oven. Shall we do that now?
Let's do it.
If you want to make your mandalas shiny, you can varnish them with some spray-on varnish from the hardware, but that's optional. Just makes it lovely and shiny.
Today we're going to be looking at hieroglyphics.
Egyptians use paintbrushes just like we do, so we're going to make some paintbrushes the way that they would have made back in ancient Egypt. So they used plant material like reeds and some sticks. So we're going to use twine as well to wrap our natural materials together. We've got some scissors, to cut our twine, and then our paint to do our hieroglyphics. So we have a little template here, which we will put in a link for you. You can print that out at home. If we're ever writing a message, we can sign off with our cartouche that we've made, and we'll know that that's our name.